doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour of room 2323 in the LAGO Hotel, Antalya, Turkey. So we've got these little electronic things to get into the room. First impressions, it's really, really beautiful. Wardrobe just as we come in. Plenty of space. You can see we've already unpacked. And we come round here. We've got two doubles. This side of the bed, there's some sockets, and then over here we have a kettle, which is great, and some mugs, nice mirror. Under here we have a fridge, which is stocked every day. Then nice big telly with some storage underneath. As you can see, some nice LAGO goodies, lots of branded things. Then, actually, it's a double bed and a single bed. I said that wrong. Nice chair next to here. Nice dressing area. This is into the bathroom, which is a nice big window out onto the pool area. Toilet in the corner there. It's an unusual shape. Just the one basin with hairdryer, a few products. So there's lots of branded bits and bobs. There you go. Just the one sink, nice mirror, a few more products, nice big corner shower. So it's a very unusual shape. More products. That's the view out into the pool. Absolutely beautiful day out there. And now this is out onto the balcony. You'll hear the bustling resort and the view onto the beach. But yeah, so far just arrived, very, very, very impressed.
Ease, turn, doors wide.